So right off the bat, drives really nicely. And that 10-speed automatic is just so smooth. And I'm not gonna really drive it hard because it is cold out and there's very little fuel in this one. But I just want you all to get an overall feel for how nicely this thing rides and how well it handles. Because most people aren't going to be running this thing down the road anyway. But it just drives really good. At least the regular Escalade did. And I will say, it's crazy how much of a difference this thing drives with the 10-speed automatic just compared to the outgoing 8-speed before this. It drives so well. And I think the EPA standards kind of got tweaked or whatever, because the outgoing ones, like the 1920s, those were supposed to be getting 20 miles a gallon on the highway and like 15, 16 miles per gallon city. And this one's only getting 14, 19, but it doesn't drive like it. It really does drive more efficiently, at least it feels that way, than the outgoing 6.2 with the 8-speed automatic. But just a smooth ride. It rides so well. Really like the steering feel here. And this ride, even with this, it's such a big vehicle, but it drives so great. And it just, oh, I just cannot say enough about this ride. And then of course, having the massage function going, the heated seat on the lowest level and the heated steering wheel, I'm so comfortable even though it's 30 degrees outside. And honestly, the cars passing by, I think it's the quietest I've been on this road a million times, and it's the quietest I've ever heard vehicles pass me. The sound acoustics in here are just crazy. But this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2022 Cadillac Escalade ESV Sport Platinum.